So this is a close up of the bird. Alright. This is a demo of the Sony HDR XR160 camcorder. It's a 160 gigabyte hard disk camcorder, and it has a very good steady shot, as you can see here. Well, this is actually on tripod, and I'm zooming in at around 45 times. It's actually it's digital zoom now. Okay, let's push it back, zoom it out farther a bit. Okay, that's a very nice zooming switch. It's a lever switch actually. Yeah, okay, there you go. Yeah, birds are my favorite subject, and I love birding. I love bird watching. I'm doing this every morning whenever I'm home, here in our home rooftop.